Hare Krishna devotees, welcome to my channel Param Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. Today we are going to discuss about Nandagop Tanayana Sandesam, episode 10. Problem is there, that is misunderstandings within 15 years. That means maybe I did some mistake, so one needs to inquire. Why I am suffering so much? Let us appreciate a person. Others will hurt. Who can measure such pain? Scientists cannot measure such pain. That is not discussed in our subjects. Does it mean that it is not there? This is we discussed in the previous episode. Now, the misunderstandings are more prominent and very acute. The relationships are going down very much nowadays. No more combined families. What to speak of combined families? Parents are not living within children. That is the problem today. That much nice relationship we have. Rather, impersonalism is increasing. The more machines come, you don't feel the need of persons. We think we manage with machines. We don't need support of anybody. But actually, machines increase impersonalism. Can you feel grateful to mixer, grinder? But if mother is taking the hardship to make prasadam, you feel very grateful. Your heart moves. She is working so hard for me. So that's why previously there are so much feelings for each other. There are very good relationships. Now they are replaced by machines. What feelings will you develop? Everyone has certain duty in a family. When they perform that will increase relationship. Now they are replaced by so many things. The point is that the more we go away from God, the more we have misunderstandings. The original misunderstanding is God. We misunderstood God. So, sooner or later, we are going to misunderstand everybody. Those who are not devotees, they can't have good relationships. Take it for granted. For some reasons, they are together, not really from their hearts. Because of social pressure, because of maybe different reasons, they are living together. Sooner or later, the relationships are going to bear bitter fruits. We will see why. God is the most loving person. That is possible, you can imagine. If you misunderstand him, who else you will understand? The person who loves you the most, you will misunderstand. Then we will misunderstand everyone. It is obvious. He is our dear Father. He loves you very dearly. He makes so many arrangements for you, for us. If you misunderstand him, who else can we understand? I explain more of the same statement. Let us see what all Lord does for us. When we misunderstand him, he is creating a whole lot of material world for us with all kinds of varieties, fruits, flowers, everything. We misunderstood him. for what He is arranging for us. Even though we misunderstanding Him, He takes the responsibility to understand Him. Though we said no to Him, He said, I will try to help you. He is only facilitating. Even though we said no to Him, He has to facilitate the consequences of saying no to Him. That is this material world. We have to struggle here. Even though we misunderstand Him, we criticize Him, we said no to Him, He gave such wonderful place. You see, He is very kind. You want to try lord it over nature. Okay? Try your level best. Where nobody disturbs you. Can you imagine? Can somebody build such a huge place, huge material world, with the only purpose that we turn on one day for our good? We took the decision of going away from Him. He did not leave us. It is not good for us. So, as Paramatma, He comes with us. Wherever you go, whatever you do, whatever desires we have, He facilitates our desires. Just to show that you lovingly return to Him, not by force, just to facilitate our free will, just lovingly accept Him. All arrangements He make. Not only that, He sends the scriptures, Bhagavad Gita, that has to put, Arjuna has to put into illusion and teaches. It is Krishna's arrangement. Not only that, when Krishna came, he has to take birth in jail, and after that he goes to forest. We want nice places. We want to take birth in jail. No. Anybody likes to roam in the forest? No. Similarly, Lord Rama, why he is taking all these troubles? To express that I love you very much. For your sake, I don't mind anywhere to deliver you. Krishna has to come and do all these things, and Rama has to come and do all these things to attract the conditioned souls. You have such a father, you have such a glorious father, you have such a glorious position. Why you have to leave all and stay here and suffer? But still we are very stubborn, we are very obstinate. No way, we don't want to leave this material world. This is our position. We don't want to give our enmity towards others. This is our nature. We don't want to think welfare for others. We don't want to wish welfare for others. We are stubborn. I want to find fault with others. That is my only goal of life. So that I find faults with everyone and put them down. I am the number one in the top. 2 ways to become number one: by climbing or pulling down. We do both. We try to climb on the other sense or pulls others down. At least we try to do this. This is the whole struggle for existence, is this. I want to pull those who are up. I want to climb those who are down, so that I am in the top, evergreen, and nobody else is parallel to me. Krishna says, there is no one equal to me or superior to me. Asamurdhva. We also like that. There is no one equal to me or superior to me. Everyone is down me or below me. Because of this, we are struggling. We are attached to this conception. Because what is the conception? We will discuss in next episode. श्रील गुरु महाराज की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय, श्री श्री राधा गोविंद जी भगवान की जय, अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय, निताय गौर प्रेमानंदे हरे हरि बोल। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे।